Hello, welcome to the HR Strategy and Planning Toolkit Complete Template Package Demo. Really excited that you're here today, and I'm really excited to be sharing this product with you right now. These are the exact templates that I have been using as a CHRO within my multiple organizations to help me run HR. What's included inside this package? We've got strategic planning templates, employee experience templates, management and operations templates, as well as some bonus content, an onboarding system toolkit, and a toolkit to help operationalize culture and belonging. For the strategic planning templates, let's look at what we've got. So we've got a strategic workforce planning tool that you can click into. All of this, I should mention, is through a product called Notion, which is essentially a database so that you don't have to have a million different files. It's all saved in one place for you. You receive this link and you can click through this all in a very simple manner. So what you see within strategic workforce planning as an example is a way to start to organize and operationalize your HR strategy. So within this tool has a list of KPIs to consider, as well as each one of these has an AI prompt. If you are comfortable using AI, then you can use AI to help you build some of these things as well. Let's go back to the landing page here. We also include a turnover analysis and retention strategy toolkit, a compensation strategy framework, and benefits strategy blueprint. Again, all that have been tried and tested within my organizations that I've worked with. Employee experience templates. Within one of these, we've got, as an example, a recognition programs framework. So it helps define and structure a recognition program. What kinds of recognition programs make sense? You can click into these buttons, and as well as one of the bigger challenges with recognition is how do you approach budgeting for these things, and how do you get support and alignment? What else is included? Management and operations templates. This is near and dear to my heart, and that's because this is where a lot of our execution rests. Manager effectiveness assessment. So this is a tool to help assess leaders and help leaders assess themselves. An onboarding toolkit specific for leaders. A workplace safety program that has some guidelines there. Legal compliance checklist, which for a small business or an HR professional that's maybe a department of one, these are really critical to make sure that you're not missing anything. And then one of my personal favorites, I want to click into this one, is a policy management system. This is a framework to help you think about policies. Now, policies are where kind of the rubber meets the road for HR. But the challenge is that policies can be incredibly dense and intense and challenging to manage. And so this helps you manage the system, gives you some principles, some way to think about when to update, some governance, and some ways to manage it. And then my personal favorite aspect here is we actually also have a policy template library. So we have 24 distinct policies that may fit your organization. We've got templates and samples here for you that are available with the purchase of this toolkit, as well as some AI prompts to help you build these things out. So it's really intended to help you organize the things that you need to do within human resources. Bonus content, an onboarding system toolkit that helps you with employee onboarding. There's an entire resource library full of a roadmap, communication templates, as well as, I mentioned earlier, an operationalizing culture and belonging tab that helps you with thinking through how do I assess how I'm doing with belonging, how do I operationalize this, and how do we make sure that we're doing the right thing to make this a great place to work for all employees of diverse backgrounds. So that's what you get with the toolkit. Again, this was professionally designed by myself using the templates and structures and strategies that I've used as a CHRO over my 20-year career. You've got a number of different template categories, and it's all within Notion. Now, if you don't want to use Notion, you can also export all of these things into Word or Excel or whatever program you would like to choose. The Complete HR Strategy Toolkit is $497. And if you're seeing this video within the launch window, we've also got a special pricing and a special discount code that you can get if you are purchasing during that launch timeline. So